Could the foods you eat every day be putting you at risk for dangerous blood clots? Stick around as we uncover 5 common foods that can increase your risk of blood clots and explain the science behind how they affect your body. This information could save your life. Welcome to our channel, your trusted source for health and wellness insights. Today, we're tackling a critical topic: blood clots. These clots can lead to serious health issues like deep vein thrombosis, DVT, pulmonary embolism, and even stroke. Understanding how certain foods contribute to blood clot formation is essential for preventing these potentially life-threatening conditions. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable health tips. Blood clots form when the blood changes from a liquid to a solid state, which can block blood flow in veins or arteries. While clotting is a natural process that helps prevent excessive bleeding, certain foods can increase the risk of abnormal clotting. Let's dive into the 5 foods that can contribute to blood clot formation and how they occur. 1. Red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, is a staple in many diets. However, it's high in saturated fats, which can increase cholesterol levels. Elevated cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This plaque can rupture, causing blood to clot and potentially leading to heart attacks or strokes. Additionally, red meat contains a compound called carnitine, which can be converted into trimethylamine N oxide, TMAO, by gut bacteria. High levels of TMAO are linked to an increased risk of clotting. 2. Processed foods. Processed foods, including snacks, fast food, and processed meats, are often loaded with trans fats, sodium, and preservatives. Trans fats can raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, promoting plaque formation in arteries. High sodium levels can lead to high blood pressure, which damages blood vessels and increases the risk of clotting. Preservatives and additives in processed foods can also contribute to inflammation, further increasing the risk of clot formation. 3. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages, such as sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks, can have a detrimental effect on your cardiovascular health. High sugar intake can lead to obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome, all of which are risk factors for blood clots. Excess sugar in the bloodstream can cause inflammation and damage to blood vessels, creating an environment conducive to clot formation. Moreover, the spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels can affect the balance of blood clotting factors, increasing the risk of abnormal clotting. 4. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption might have some health benefits, excessive drinking can increase the risk of blood clots. Alcohol can interfere with platelet function, the cells responsible for blood clotting. This interference can lead to an increased risk of clot formation. Additionally, alcohol can cause dehydration, which thickens the blood and makes it more prone to clotting. Chronic heavy drinking can also lead to liver damage, impairing the liver's ability to produce proteins that regulate blood clotting. 5. Foods high in vitamin K. Foods high in vitamin K, such as leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, play a crucial role in blood clotting. Vitamin K is essential for the production of clotting factors in the liver. While these foods are healthy and should be included in your diet, excessive consumption can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you're on blood thinners, maintaining a consistent intake of vitamin K is important to prevent fluctuations in blood clotting activity. Blood clots are a serious health concern, but by understanding the impact of your diet, you can take steps to reduce your risk. Remember, moderation is key. It's not about completely eliminating these foods but being mindful of your intake and making balanced dietary choices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take control of your diet to protect your heart and blood vessels.